My dear children, I am sure you are doing good in your studies, sports, and many other activities. And you are shining in everything just like a star. Yes, like a star. Because you are also future stars. And today, I am going to help you to shine more and more and more. So let's begin. Sit straight, your back straight. You can fold your legs and sit relaxed. Close your eyes. Put your hands on your lap, facing towards the sky. Now slowly take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Do not stretch your body. Just relax. Once again, take a deep breath in and relax. One more time. Deep breath in and breathe out. Your body is completely relaxed. Children, now you are going to repeat the affirmations after me. First, slowly concentrate on your head and repeat in your mind, my head is relaxed and calm. Repeat it. My head is relaxed and calm. My head is relaxed and calm. Now, fill your eyes and say, my eyes are completely relaxed. Now, feel your eyes and repeat in your mind, my eyes are completely relaxed. My eyes are completely relaxed. My eyes are completely relaxed. All muscles on my face are getting relaxed and more relaxed. All muscles on my face are getting relaxed and relaxed. All muscles on my face are getting relaxed and relaxed. Now, slowly concentrate on your shoulders and repeat, my both shoulders and both hands are very relaxed. My both shoulders and hands are completely relaxed. My both shoulders and hands are completely relaxed. Very slowly concentrate on your back and repeat, all muscles of my back are very strong and very, very relaxed. All muscles of my back are very strong and very, very relaxed. All muscles of my back are very strong and very, very relaxed. My chest, stomach is feeling so relaxed. My chest, stomach is feeling so calm and relaxed. My chest, stomach is feeling so calm and relaxed. My both legs, feet are completely relaxed. My both legs and feet are completely relaxed. My both legs and feet are completely relaxed. Now my whole body and mind is very calm, and now I can tell my mind what I want to be and what I am. Children, again repeat in your mind. I am very happy child. I am very happy child. I am very happy child. I like to study happily, exactly the way I like to play. I like to study happily, exactly the way I like to play. I like to study happily, exactly the way I like to play. I respect myself. I respect myself. I respect myself, and I respect others also. I respect others also. I respect others also. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. Children, keep on repeating this in your mind. I love myself. My parents and all my teachers love me too. Children, I'm sending you a lot of love. I love you all.